Okay, currently we are discussing the data types in that we have discussed string data type, integer data type, and double data type. So in this video tutorial we will discuss about how bool data types would work. So in this lecture we will discuss a little bit about bool data type. We will discuss thoroughly the bool data type when we will work on the conditional statements like if else. So in that tutorial we will discuss thoroughly, but in this tutorial we will see how it works. So as usual, write main function, and so basically I'm going to perform a logical condition which would pass us some mathematical operations to printf statements and see how the compiler of Dart would behave if I pass a wrong condition and if I pass a right condition. So here I'm going to pass a mathematical expression 7 greater than 3. Run it. So it returns us a 2. It means logically it is true, and so therefore the compiler returns us true. If I change the sign from greater than to less than, and run it again, it would return a false, because logical this condition is false. So check it with is equal to here it returns error. We cannot directly use is equal to, we can use double is equal to, which means it would be equal to it is making a sense whether it is equal to or not. So it is checking here. Double is equal to is used for checking the condition whether it is okay or not. So it would return again false, because 7 cannot be equal to 3. So in this way we can use bool data type. In coming videos, when we discuss about the conditional statement, we will discuss thoroughly how we can use the Dart data type in how we can use bool data type in Dart program.